Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get red seaweed in Crimson Desert. Now currently right now my location on the map is currently to the right side of the Lycia right here. Now there is an Abyss Nexus that you can collect to have better access to the red seaweed that's going to be over here on the coastline. Now a little bit over to the south of the Abyss Nexus here, let me just close down my map, you will be able to find seaweed immediately here to the left. As you can see right here, there's some to the right and more here to the left. Just hold down E and you should be able to collect between 1 to 3 red seaweed. Now a little bit more to the south of it, you're going to find even more red seaweed right along these rocks right here, over here right on the sand, and a little bit over here to the water. But do be careful that if you do go a little bit more south, there is going to be a shipwreck right here that's going to be infested with enemies. So make sure to be ready for combat should you go even deeper to the south side to get some more red seaweed. Now if you are quite unfamiliar with the use of red seaweed, right over to the level 10 of stamina right here, you should require some red seaweed for you to upgrade through the threshold. And that's pretty much about it on how to get red seaweed in Crimson Desert.